welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have a fairly quick update for the Partners in Cream Project Pan. This is a huge project. There's so many people in it that have joined in. I'm going to have the link to the spreadsheet listed down below, and you can also sign up if you want to join in. This is a year-long project that was started by Steph Lyons and Delynn. Delyn's channel is Outward Processing, and I'm pretty sure they're the same on Instagram, but don't quote me on that. But so it's Steph Lyons and Outward Processing here on YouTube. Outward Processing, her name is Delynn. All right, so they created this amazing project. It's all about cream products, or actually you can put in liquid products, gel products, that kind of stuff, anything that's not a powder and will go bad faster. So I think it was anywhere from 3 to 6. I went with 4. It was just easier for me, and I have an empty this month. I'm so excited. I'm very excited. It's my first empty in this project. It makes me happy. And here it is. I actually just finished this today. This is a cream, or was a cream concealer from the Depotted, clearly, Jane Iredale palette. It was a medium sampler palette, and yeah, I am not in love with cream concealers. I have realized that now. I have them, and all of the ones that I own, except for the lavender one, which is a color corrector, I did not purchase. They were either gifted to me or given to me through PR, and I have learned cream concealer is not my thing. It is not my thing, but I'm glad I was able to use it up. So that's going into my empties pile. I'm going to show you what I am still working on, and the first one is the ColourPop BFF Cream Gel Liner. It is in the color that I am wearing today. I have this color all over the place, and I actually do have it in my waterline today. That is the only place that I use these gel liners because they go on so well and they stay. They really stay. I love them, and I'm going to be having these for a while because only using it on your waterline, it's such a small place, it does not go fast. I did not bother to make a line this time. I was at this bottom blue line last time, and I'm just like barely at the bottom edge of that, and it didn't make any sense to make an even bigger blob or line on there. So yeah, I'm just going to keep working on it and loving it. Not sure if I'm going to get it done this year, but I am loving it, and it is getting good usage on it, so that's a good thing. The next one is the e.l.f. Shimmer Palette. I have 2 pans that I am working on in here, though I'm primarily only working on the white one currently. I do have some side pan there, and it is expanding a little bit. It's not going as fast as I would like it to, but you know, none of it ever does. So I'm just going to keep like working on it, and hopefully get some more use and eventually get it done by the end of the year. This project, I don't know, for me, cream stuff takes a lot longer. I don't know why, but it does. Probably because I have to use such a light hand because I have very oily skin. As long as I'm getting it used up, eventually I'm going to be happy. All right, so my 1 empty and the 3 that I am still working on, I need to roll a product in, and I have chosen one, and it is a lip liner. This one is by e.l.f. and it is the lip liner in the shade Natural. I'm going to show you what it looks like. I've only used it a few times. These are not very big. That is all the product that is in it, and like I said, I've only used it a few times, and yeah, that's the way it is. So this is the amount of product that is in here. I marked my line. That is not going to take me long at all. My lips are, they're very nude naturally, very pale, so I almost have to put a lip liner on in order to give them any kind of a shape. So I have a feeling, I could be wrong, but I have a feeling that lip liner is going to be almost gone or gone by the next update, which is fine by me because I would like to get some more products used up. It will be a good thing. if that one is used up. So I'm going to be working on the e.l.f. Shimmer Palette, again focusing on the white shade. The ColourPop BFF Cream Gel Liner, and that's in Piggy Bank for anyone that wanted to know. That's the color of this one. And the e.l.f. Lip Liner in Natural. Keeping my fingers crossed that I have an empty by the next update. That is everything. Fairly short and sweet for me. For me, it is. So, definitely go check out Steph and Delyn. Again, they're going to be linked down below with everyone that has joined in. If you would like to join in, we would love to have you. We update pretty much on the 10th of every month. This started on January 10th, and we just kind of are keeping that monthly 10th spot where we do our updates. But if you have to finagle it a little bit to work for you, by all means, do it. But we would love to have you in this project, and check out the tons of people that are doing this too. All over the world, there's people doing this. So, see, we can be together without being together. It's a beautiful thing. All right, I'm going to wrap this up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.